First there is a lymph, which is clear watery fluid that contains white blood cells. It circulates through the lymphatic system to remove bacteria and proteins from tissues as well. They also transport fat from the small intestines and supply mature lymphocytes to blood. Capillaries allow movement of tissue fluids, so it's not like they're stuck in the mud. This is in order to drain plasma so that the cell is ready for circulation, you see, and then they are free to go and maybe do a concert of Katy Perry's. Plasma leaves the vessel and is now called interstitial fluid. You know it, bro. Lymph vessels pick up the interstitial fluid from the tissues and transport phagocytes to lymph nodes. This maintains the body's immune surveillance, like the cameras at the mall. The left subclavian veins are where the lymphatic duct empties back into the blood, y'all. The right lymphatic duct collects lymph from the right side of the neck, chest, and arm, and flows into the right subclavian vein, where it is not harmed. Lymphatic vessels from everywhere besides the upper right quadrant of the body drain into the thoracic duct, a process smoother than mahogany. It then returns the lymph to the blood via the left subclavian vein. Go jump in some mud. The cisterna chili may sound very gaudy, and it is the origin of the thoracic duct and the most common drainage trunk of the lymphatics in the body. Lymph nodes are small organs which filter lymph and remove it from dangerous microbes, kind of like when your mom keeps you away from the hot stove. Then they activate the immune system, which are B and T cells, remember. The spleen contains lymphoid tissue and filters blood from January to December. It filters out old red blood cells and harbors phagocytes so they are not an issue. The thymus secretes thymosin, which promotes the growth of T cells and lymphoid tissue. Your tonsils are masses of lymphoid tissue designed to filter tissue fluids. That deserves a pat. They also trap viruses and bacteria to provide local immunity. Aw, snap. Thank you for listening to this physiology rhyme. I know you've enjoyed it. Go drink some coffee, and don't forget to leave a tip.